Hey everybody, welcome back to the Missing Wrenches Garage YouTube channel. We're coming back at you today with another fabrication video to get our winch onto our lift. This one's going to be a quick one, but before we get into it, I have to bring you guys a message from today's video sponsor. Hello everybody, today's video is brought to you by the Missing Wrenches Garage from right here on YouTube. That's right, me! We have set a goal for ourselves for the month of October to hit the 500 subscriber mark. And we are slowly inching our way there. I think we're at around about 340. With that being said, I'm going to need 160 of you all to smash that subscribe button before October 31st. And if said subscriber limit has been reached by October 31st, we are doing another giveaway. And what we're going to be doing this time is I'm going to select 2 random people in a raffle style giveaway setup scenario thing. You are going to comment down below what numbers you pick between 1 and 500. We're going to do one of those online random number generator machine things. And we are going to have 2 winners to win the first ever Missing Wrenches Garage hats. Now, I know what you're thinking. They are not going to be some generic, cheap, junkies hats. What they are going to be is the Richardson 112 hats. Like I'm wearing right now. This one is from Puddin's Fab Shop. They will either have the MWG on a leather patch, or they will have wrote out Missing Wrenches Garage on a leather patch like that's on the back of our shirts. So if we hit that number by October 31st, the following video after that, I will go ahead and tell you guys to comment your numbers down below. I will give about a week for those to come in. And then if your numbers are selected, I will reply to your comment with my email. And you can email me your shipping information and we will get that taken care of. But now, back to the video. And remember, smash that subscribe button. The first thing we're going to do is get our grinder set up with one of these 36 grit red resin remover pads to smooth out the end of the bolting plate that we're going to weld to our base plate, wherever it is. It's over there. Safety first. All right, now that we got both of those cleaned up and ready to weld, we're going to get our welding table here hooked up and ready to weld them 2 together. And guys, please don't come after me in the comment section. I know that I have a high-class, state-of-the-art welding table. I can't help that I have such nice equipment. It costed a lot of money. And one day, with a little hard work and perseverance, maybe you can have your own Troy-built welding table too. We also got us a new shop line here, guys. She just showed up about 2 weeks ago. We've been feeding her. She's a good little cat. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this tacked up and burn in. Alright guys, we got the holes drilled into the mounting plate for the winch. And now I'm going out here to our local O'Reilly's to get some hardware. Now we're back from the O'Reilly's. We just got us some 5/16 grade 8 hardware. And we're going to get our mounting plate over here and bolt our winch up to it before we bolt it up onto our overhead lift thing. We'll get our ratchet set up here. And now we'll bolt it up to our lift and put some power to it and see how it does. I say we throw some juice on this baby and see how she does. After I hook up the power cords, because I forgot to do that. All right, now that we've got an actual battery, let's see if she'll work. Oh, yeah. Well, Bobo, I think we got it. All right, guys, that has been the winch install on our overhead lift I-beam thing. This thing's going to make pulling motors and picking stuff up a whole world of a lot easier. We should have did this a long time ago, but we did it now, so it's all that matters. But we want to thank you all for watching. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you ain't. Please like, share with your friends. Remember, your dreams won't work unless you do. God bless y'all. We love you. We'll see you on the next one.